In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the bubble on a 2-meter carbon fiber survey rod. It's a very simple exercise. For example, here is the pole where the bubble has been broken and removed, and we're going to replace that. So first of all, we start off with the tri-brush. Set up the tri-brush on a tripod. Make sure that bubble is nice and straight, and then also good to just double check that. So we're happy that the tri-brush is set up straight. So here is the bubble that we're going to replace. It's got a little point at the bottom where it rotates on, and that we're going to use to set it with those 3 Allen keys. Okay, so the first thing that you've got to do is make sure that it's nice and tight and attached onto the tri-brush. Attach it and the pole is firm. Once it's attached, just make sure you clean out all the grime that's inside there, because days on site you get a lot of dust inside there. The next part is we're going to fit the bubble inside the hole. You can see in there, and the 3 little Allen keys are going to come inside there. Okay, so we will insert all 3 screws lightly and holding the bubble in position. Take the Allen key and you tighten each of the 3 screws a little bit at a time, tightening them a little bit simultaneously while holding the bubble more or less in position. We'll keep tightening them slowly, one at a time, doing a few turns on each of the screws while holding the bubble more or less in place. Okay, so now the bubble's more or less correct. As you can see, it's still a bit loose, and now we start to tighten them one at a time. Okay, now as you tighten it, you'll see the bubble will move. So once again, tighten each screw a little bit at a time. And slowly the screws are going to get really tight, and you get the bubble as close to the center as possible. Okay, once all 3 screws are nice and tight and the bubble doesn't move at all, we need to double check what we've done. So the way we do that, we take the pole out of the tri-brush adapter, turn it to the next set of holes, and theoretically the bubble should be nice and accurate, which it is. Alright, now we turn it around again. And we're happy. Maybe it could be adjusted a little bit more, and then you keep doing that. So now we can adjust this a little bit out. There we go. And now we turn it once more back to position 1. We're happy. Let's check position 2 again. And that should be fine for a GPS pole. Perhaps if you want to do more precise work, you're going to want to adjust that. But as far as the GPS accuracy goes, the adjustment of that little bit of the bubble will make a very insignificant difference on your position. But if you're doing high precise work, you're going to want to remove that for like a robotic total station or something like that. Okay, Perfect. And then you keep going around until you're happy with the end result. Let's check it one more time. Happiness. And that's how you change the bubble in a 2-meter carbon fiber pole or a normal prism pole. Thank you.